Ricardo be coming your way with tip-offs well, the world of sports. And Champions League, no name easy kura. Ekowie saying, and Omanhene John Dramani Mahama, the Jumano Washas, he's hit the grounds running. And I swear in ministers. Now, Monfantoso, Nayentie and Semwa, or catch the ministers, no. Now the key, or say, I will not tolerate arrogance and disrespect. Ghana for to Abama. Now, the previous government, what they were saying is a journey and time and Aba Musone or Brabobi. Can we? Okay, Yanko.
And will reset our country. As I pointed out during my inaugural speech, Ghanaians have, through their votes, declared their intention to demand the highest standards of governance, and we cannot afford to fail them. This naturally puts a burden of responsibility on us, which we must prove equal to. Ghanaians have shown that the days of tolerance for disrespectful gaslighting by government officials are well and truly over. They will take firm action as they deem fit to punish any administration that takes them for granted. I therefore charge you to serve in humility and candor, always remembering that we serve at the pleasure of the Ghanaian people and that the authority we exercise emanates from them. We must exhibit tolerance for their views and work to meet their aspirations. This government will not tolerate arrogance or disrespect for the people who elected us into office. Modesty and prudence must be the guiding principle upon which you, myself, and our Vice President fashion our governance. People of Ghana will hold us accountable for the trust that they have placed in our hands. It cannot be business as usual. We must be transparent and fair in all our dealings.
Okay, that's coming from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And I will say, Ghana for he's been able to avert the danger that was the looming doom due to WAPCO gas pipeline maintenance and Nanka Eba. They've been able to avert them. Yenti Omanhene John Dramani Mahama and some of Kafa doom no hono.
As you may all be aware, the previous government did not work to ensure the smooth running of the energy sector by neglecting to arrange enough fuel to power our thermal plants. This was important because of the new scheduled maintenance work that was to take place on the West African gas pipeline, which is responsible for bringing in significant gas for the thermal plants that we have in our Eastern Enclave. Through determined efforts, I can report that we have now averted the looming threat of power out and began delivering fuel to the thermal plants in the east in advance of the shutdown of the West African gas pipeline. And Honorable General, I want to congratulate you for working very hard. Similar timely interventions have been necessary in areas such as education.
And Robertin Corso, and one woman for me dazzled me. The intelligence with which she answered her questions. I've never had an interview, I have never come in contact with her. Elizabeth Ofosu-Adjare, Minister for Trade, Industry, and Agribusiness. But I don't know who will free Techiman Wunim Ofosu-Adjare. Or Techiman. On the south, or north, and Ninia J, and I'm told they are family.
Yes, and we are for Lizzie Papa na Ade Akye too.
Oh,
near Lizzie Papa ni Akye Papa and I'm for pa. Tia wo Akye ni Ade too ni tia say Lizzie Papa ne fa.
Ejina say Elizabeth Ofosu-Adjare no. Ni kunu na asesa din abe na Adjare. Ba ko no so de J ni bi.
Yes, ne papa ne kwaku free techi my tem. It's a primary school time now no de kwa kra.
Okay.
Because
questions of 1D1F.
Yeah.
Any raw materials. A quite a fast way you grow raw material. There's also a young koye he's forming a committee be our mobile what is called like feeding our industry. Say raw materials are D1F a challenge, no. Obe say obe twaso and the agribusiness. Oh, nyamianimni. Oini. I really enjoyed her.
Me no debiana meka.
She's a lawyer, I'm told.
Obe Lizino. Techima no for na this do baby or no abeka say onko bi.
Really?
Oh, debiana meka che say obi a yesi wo grounds. Oni manity of che say wo ye bronsam kro no obesere. Fe. Yemfa bia obi beka so ye na MPP na mse MPP fo bi kro techima no for no. Eyo mo deselizi asa wini. The piano me kase oba no ane eka because the way oni nipa
the relation.
Oh, me ni se obi betimi ejina techima no fa kase lizi aye
hantan ya mo
ejina fa me so akasem boni bi
meanwhile she's a woman of stature.
Debi ohun ade obi se free ni kem oba be ye wa tu no edi nkomo na mo want to say oh Lizzie Anna, yes, so be a bing.
You ask Enra, Yamianimni.
Wabbing.
Yamianimni, I
did Ukraine, Wamata Chimai.
May share that tea. Yesterday I had the opportunity to listen to her.
So, no, Ninia, waging us south. Now, waging us
almost don't be the actual.
I am papa.
I say, Jinapodi, Jinapo. Wait, you know, we rem.
Omo papa now, Titi, woman, baby, will be a wow. Come about Tony Menra. May man cheppy, but the way not as Andran, what trendy social.
Oh, yes.
What trendy,
she really spoke well. Now, oh, say, what steady me out? Men shut down car committee, no, vet, no one say apart from. But for more as a new entrance now, Mukoya ne debate ne agitation. Wait, I have foreign no chairman no. First deputy speaker, I don't know what. I'm still a member of CPP. Now I joined to I the presidential staffer. Ono so your bar no. Na there be no judgment, no judgment PURC. Now on na public relations directorate. Say 2016 after elections no resign here. Now 2016 no. Na na Gantwa. One Ghana for Tokwa. Hey, Ghana for say this year ton kanem no abeye press conference. Abani tuma odi to. Say this that Ghana for the same. Now if you obey secretary, say see amini
baye bra ma me no so akasache. Ndi eja onu so akonya ba bia.
Na momola te say Onun so will champion improved maternity leave. I
say me man no de be ma mo nso odwene ho anhwa na man tra mo yere no mo na mo nenam.
And then no patch say.
O patch say na say no kure bra.
O patch say na mo
mo tra fie busumi nsia. Wo be tra fie kura.
Dem ka say busumi nsia. Wo say paternal leave no, paternity leave e bia 1 month na dia ma be ma. On tra na yere ho say.
O say no wo odwene ho consider because e be wi akire yi. E say me be hwa me yere ne me ba. Sa time wo be ni hu kuro nwi. A face side chicken, I said, enjoy dear. And you know,
no, if you are side chicken, I don't know. Oh, if you're on any, you didn't crack it out with you. Get out with you. Yet,
it is important for them to take months of paid maternity leave. How will you advocate for the extension of maternity leave the current 3 months? Because we are all aware it's 3 months now. How do you intend to, and how do you plan to address the concerns from employers who may resist? Because I have a company, I don't intend to get women to go on 4 months. But that is in your manifesto. How do you intend to address that? Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think men were or are still advocating for paternal leave. And if it is important for them to take a break to support the family, then it is more important for women to have a prolonged period, not only to take care of the children, but to also properly heal. And so, as an employer, I will encourage you that if you even have the opportunity to take care of 6 months, please do that. But there are other ways, on a more serious note, to do that. Creating daycare in the company that makes it child-friendly for the women to bring the kids there with a little support from the company or the organization, so that they don't have to be worried. Psychologically, the woman can be present or physically present in the company, and yet the mind is at home. And so you can have her being there working for you, but to have the utmost output, it is better we make sure that there's holistic care. And so I will sit with all stakeholders. There are CSOs who are deep into it. There are a lot of advocates. I will join them to look at what is best, ensure that we push it. And if Ghana and if the people of Ghana agrees to it, surely I will be the #1 champion.
Thank you very much. A follow-up. Very well. So are you intending to advocate for paternity leave?
I would love to advocate for that, but I also love beyond that to ensure that there are some measures to ensure that when the men take the paternity leave, they actually spend it with the family.
All right. I said, Ede na kire say David dia wo ka no enye no kresa say yama be ma bosome say ene wo yire ntena fie na fa gye wa home say amre no kura na mema say ye begigi ye ma ye kura we get to know we bond with our children
na bibi afra mo ataba sa tam le ayo eran boy you tu adwumam ni aflaw
na o pani a bi adwumam pani a akofre friend so meto bibi mra Dabi e was say paternity leave no eba Abojase road toll is coming back, but a bit digitized.
Ayo, any digital na yeduma.
And digitize road toll.
Udu ana dia shem.
Udu ana now the shem ana to say the airport there no.
5 cities.
But I know so na sabio physically impaired for na ye fa o madwuma ho na no
On be pe before fraud o mako.
Baby.
Hey. Sa adwuma no bra wonum nsem a ewo mu roto sika gege wonum nsem a ewo mu so mo ye ne digital no abra ka ye the best
really
hey
ada nsem a ewo mu say amamfo
sika 4 millionaires
amamfo didi wo ho hey asemo
eni edwom ticket ni na omo tumi nya digital
na
anu akwa wo receipt ni mi
why ni ahomache wo ba minim se bia ahomache wo ba ya na be 4:30 ho ya na mrantie bi gina ekwan no ho
atwetwe dade bi anema boboso no
omoje sika enti sa sika no
so sa mi bisa so mo de koma
enti sa ticket no ke me ticket na se
ebi kran ticket bi adu ho na o ma pija dade
na watua na
wa mani sika
omoje ticket
me de we de anyi ticket
omo gina yi no omo gina cultural center ho no omo guta ticket
yo
eti inspectorate no omo ye say ticket no enkrofo no na ntwa bie ana say ya ban de de ma wo mo no mbebu nkunta de pepepe de because iko omo gina skakito say you 2 cities crack ka say twam yi trotro ya no pe bia omo twama wo mo
ane roto kasimpo du ho a wo de ahyem wa twen ticket na akọ baabi eno kra be boa ma traffic e
eno kra se be traffic e free but dem have show na delay so
oh bra
we do on ma
airport dey delay when odu wade ahyem wa twen ko baabi odu wade ahyem wa twen ko baabi na ukọ
ya makwata
aba
nya makwata no o twa roto
ogu no
dipa ba ko pe
solid ako ogu no
Ghana pa ya semo
sorry ano pa ba ko pe egu roto om de ba bo abra nye se ne kakra betime firi ho de aba e de aba beboa na ya na ha dwen ba bia ya ji roto no anso bon kai da ho ya eno so ya na de da ho
okoya to ko foreign affairs Montaka interior.
Betu kwa bibiri kuje to abrakwa.
Okuja to.
Obetu kwa.
Opani bi atro Niti will say when diplomacy catches up with Okuja to Obenunu who say nsem bi okanfa Akufo-Addo travels on. Na omo hwe nanim pa.
Ode
Ewo akwantuo ni nsem ho.
Hey, dear, and so I bed.
Niti will say private jet. Eya Ibrahim private jet na. Omanpani ni 2 kwan no. Yes, Okoku Fosuku Achabeka say it came with no cost. That the security and everything of Omanpani, Omuntumi fan Niagro. And to all catch there almost say the presidential jet. It is in good use to Omanpani use. Now onyai the populace say you play a saving or didn't you play in the econo. I don't know Kasu Kuja to the Usunukuse. Now you see our foreign affairs minister. Now when diplomacy catches up with him, or the or catch you could to say obe regretting some or cover Omanpani akwantuo because a drew maybe a base there's an emergency so 2 kind. When I want ko chata, when I want ko fa plane be any boarding. God de wa kan fa Ghana for no. It is here there. So omode rule. Atu Okuja to na kwanti o 2 ba kwa ne amake. Ensem we animo. Ohini. Ana Omanpani Jomama so ya de bi. CEOs no maburu nkwa. Oye digital macroni HMPA. Oye afeti awono bust. Oye cocoa board. Oye sa maburu na omukoshe acting no. Sami Jamfi 35 PMMC. Akoye se wama maburu no kwan. Asante akwaba. Oyini mame mrani enhwe so far Omanpani amembo. Any appointment who ni say?
Oh yeah. Mabunu no wadwene wo no ho. On say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de you to die. Na banda da mu nyina odo mabunu no se obetwe omo ho abata.
Yenka se omamene bo ama defenses ya.
Ai. Obetwe omo aba na mamuo mu na yesre wo mu momu disappoint no. Said the when you mujidie na memu wane maba wa afe na mu bebo brabi mabobo bi dada na wo kai mu se mi jimudi mi wo mujidie mu ye mujamono mu meboa yen na memu oni konanim momu mane sensifo sanse ho na ya na ensam no wo no meburu no wo mu nim niam efe ye nim perfume si aboden ye nim niam ane boden
ye nim cars papa
momu mane sensifo eti atofo senkan wo shebo wo so mu babua na mana memu ayefe e wa bibire mu obaye number 1 eto sa asem na wo maka no o fanya adwuma na wo san ka asem bi se na memu owe mu akonkosem ni amamasem ni dwe onso eti ya papa Sam George won tie na futu ko san no video bi a security enyefe so si Africa mu na sense drofo bi e ko de wo petan je ne ho ne ma bi no e de social media say edru ho bi aba edru ho na so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama o se onso so said the Ghana for gagantuali atu abentre MMPP lusu ntre gagantualusu Fana lusuntre. What nation lusuntre?
We all nation. Na. Oh, you wouldn't imagine.
Gagantua lusuntre.
Gagantua lose.
Fana lusu. Ebinsi we are saying that baby ala lusuntre no.
There is about doctor call you. I'm sure my so meka. I'll call meka. What is waba?
On it Puma Sports Miss and a call.
And your maba. Okay.
I was a Ghana for ya near some rapid to a bubu ato abaga gan to ama woman. Or no, I say, ya this swa and ye dear swa wom. The Ghana for expected be some better to me in a ye. 80 j and ya concosem also so. Na ye pass or cast asem. Na waka, tia bomb pies almost to be a juma. Now, Buana media dear, a yammy de Yashia Mammy Elizabeth of Sojari. Abayua Pababa.
The dynamism was excellent.
Why be that so about why tourism a Juma? And you who do bet me and a baby and Yasa Kukune Nakojina. And will be a mammy interview be a who your bar when you are Jekwa. So you are bar. You say what bing wash it. Now who Brasilizi? We are by 4 crown no better said it. By 4 crown for baby. Or no better, no better.
Okay.
Omusia. No, I said here, when you did your youth, no, Omumaya Juma, no Mufasa and Penny Munyam, Nagana Faga Gantuele, Gagantualu, Erini, Wama Twama Woman, and you almost
Edward Kofi Omanhene Defense, Samuel Ate George, Communication, Digital and Technology, Kofi Amaboa, Lands and Natural Resources, Kofi Adams, Sports and Recreation. Abdul Rashid Pepo, Labor, Jobs and Employment. Kwabena Kando, Health. Okuja to Foreign Affairs. Azante, Mami Musa also on this appointment and so far. Nra and Sona, Yam Komaso Monkoyo Machuma. And the acting CEOs. They will go through public service committee, boards will be formed and they will be approved and sound automatic effect, but they are all there to look acting because we are acting. There are certain things that so they will be given full powers. Momentio, the youth that has been blended with the seniors.
My media no na me kra me can say okujeto abla kwa ne Felix Futuku acha mo vetin de be air classico. Classical, especially Felix. On saying the first time we were parliament, you know. So possibly that respect now, committee members now more harder than Abia we nyansa. And yana mekase wo opposition in some pina or kayen. Committee members, especially those now okasa and we can see say for me Afenyo was so lenient with some of the people supposedly coming from his region. That Minister of Aquaculture who's there nipa ne gu mamene chino kra no sebe kuda ne gu mamene chino a man is live a question it turned out to be like conversation fine yeah it's not all that time say you're good hard but do na mamene so why did with how she was answering the questions no o my me dear man pemi mahama no the appointment or mama who is a party na nkasa no or prepare party no for their own future. Yeah, on say after 4 years you exit. On some man penny beam. So the all ye biano, the all ye biano say, or the party no say 4 years. Or the it will never happen. If ye nine, if ye nine person, no crown yet. If ye nana mo de man, not party no. There's so I had the boy mabunu, or your bumping for, or your boy winner no way. And for that matter no. The whole regime you have to consolidate it after his exit. Whether CEO or whatever be or no. And when any paper can regards to one of the CEOs, Dr. Randy Abedian.
Yeah, Cocoa
Boy, a man for senior convention. You can't say Dr. Opuni. Also call no one yet.
No, doctor. Now the man who post. Udia Kukuno. Abraham Osedu.
So no dia koko.
Why you koko?
Ultimate koko more than 150.
This koko board no all free what to say.
That is the point. Make up is our man paying for that. Sat on far a ban will do by no a accounting background. But ban will do went to as one of the best finance ministers in Yanya.
Sports minister. Osafo Mafu.
No,
and you're not there.
Wake up. On the background,
say you practice.
You practice. Now, for gas, you call 5 and
5 you practice.
So, when in the level of
it is about leadership.
Oh, administratively, no, or
skill, no,
and as of now, they may be a while.
Now, sign your corrupter.
When and one the major source of sources are there as appointee. And Timua Mahama, whom about appointing me in these positions, no, or mine. More representing Mebunu in particular. Oman Panyiko for time or appointee Mebunu. Nanado, the first term, or Chichepa, one of my virtual every region. And Tinum, Diamomba Bayano, man, you know, 1 year. Next time, yes, a Bobu because a baby. Oman a chance in the bathroom. And I watched Pablo Oparado Tama or Vetino. And we say it was complete representative of the youth or also or the animal di kama. And you know, say no, and some media meme can say my Casalina say especially Dr. Ataforsen Casalinsi because Makasa opposition ba ma sabenye tumi awie nti mesle say
that is so mama na me nana ya me aminu aba na ya dwan to amone
Machio.
now what to say
Nyame na dum o de achaye na so e.
me won ye dodo afisiapa
Afin komatu afisi se ne Ghana FFF. Na obi nya de ohwehwe ne Nyankopon de akoma so ade aman.
na ya dwan to our presidential staffer hey CPP General Secretary the Okopede ho ai na wajai CPP ana wo de atudwa se wo ye CPP ba mapa the bim say na de we not take so ye NDC na Okopede ho e de asem na wo ka
Na no pe mechia wetifu nyina na machia kumasefo nyina ma o mo Dubai market ene kititi adwum nyina mechia o ma no pe na mechia utumfo sei tutumi amenu ba kope ene me wo fa ena mechia friend say Lawrence so prempe a we menua
that's right
den chia komo mo nyina secretary to utumfo Papa Chow, Ghana near Chichiu. It's a wood of Ghana. You do baby we parties in Chen Washa Ghana first. The Bayer partisan they be a Ghana and Conany. The expertise be or baby na president who say, wait me up one more mamma moma. And your bonnet say obefa will be a. What I say, ye cassa say an assassin. God bless our homeland Ghana. Every time I call event to be na. Yeah, to sa national anthem na inhu Ghana ni na inhu ohoho ana inhu NDC inhu MPP inhu CPP inhu Ghana. Nti for me no Ghana na ye chichire. Nti Excellent John Dramani Mahama ehun se metimi aba beboa na me believe say adepa. Me believe say ye friend say ade say ye den ye sum ne dana say. You know, I don't think that at this point, you know, elections we Ghana nearby the chichiri. So we should look forward and see how you beat me at chichiri Ghana.
okay eti you as a presidential staffer no in terms of reference e de adwuma sonti na
If I show you the be mami I feel na maybe call na say no chia na e bo me you know in time no be abi hu adwuma SSME. But me feel say a shot and my training and all the other people are na ye chichiri. It is Excellent John Dramani Mahama and who say meet me ababa buana. Me believe say adepa. Me believe say your friend say idea say ye den ye sum near dana say. You know, I don't think that at this point, you know, elections we Ghana nearby the chichiri. So we should look forward and see how you beat me at chichiri Ghana.
okay eti you as a presidential staffer no in terms of reference e de adwuma sonti na
If I show you the be mami I feel na maybe call na say no chia na e bo me you know in time no be abi hu adwuma SSME. But me feel say a shot and my training and all the other people are that far you fear sentiment me congratulate you you nyina be cambo with all everybody on board to make sure say Ghana ejinei na sentiment so ejinei.
So far appointment of Omanhene Yaw no uhun is saying
Very great. When him say me dey be e dan me dey beto e bi bi any ho a obenya ho asemaka I think so no boss na o hyehyɛ. This time now you can see very young people. At the vetting, say I was impressed. Most of them have expertise in their area because maybe a ranking member and now a Juma ministry holder. And you can see say expertise was just marvelous. We should be to say Honorable Eric Poku in the agri sector. We should be to say Honorable a friend Haruna Idrisu. I mean, just great. We should be say Honorable Ade Akye Abia. First, he was a deputy finance minister. So they knew exactly where Honorable Jinapo, he was a deputy energy minister. So almost 3 years and sana or mobile by the now they know the sector. The sectors I do Honorable Abuja routes. It was just marvelous. The way no war you routes. No, I was surprised. You know, I think that the can say Ubia Bay no aye juma. There's a difference between so winning dear and it's obey you my juma. Now what is left is hard work. Hard work to make sure say Ghana. I mean for me, maybe I make us a wish. I want to see a day I may pass by American embassy na queue near Ketuebi. Maybe a queue or year or my one more program aquaba. Me present day I may who say Canadian embassy make home bit more honor. Make you know. Then it means that we have reset our country. We have made our country great. Say Ebema Ghana for any just or now. So we Ghana embassy in any country. Nipa who a tourist. And you more person babetna. And I say maybe business person be a person better to your business. One more mahase or mobile chichi form. And I saw mobile or baby jari funo. And I saw mobile young crew to Juma. I want to see that day, and I believe that this is the beginning of that dawn. Okay. A dawn, a Bema Ghana, a Konini.
Nana ya John to Ameda Siano pay.
Miss Medasi.
Okay. Nana ya John to Anna Motin in Kano. Sesiano on the 1st of February. Say Okwakwa license a year proposed license for the various classification yebetum
licenses
yeah premium you tier for insurance private individuals ebia wa private car say third party ebia nkoye you know you tier for 82 proposed premium no 554
hey
private corporate 482 obetia 554 na agreed premium na kwesi 530 taxi omutia 637 proposed near 724 maxi bus says bus kese to say bia na 652 now about 734 say proposed na bemua minibus 652 eco 734 motorcycle 252 eco 316 ambulance hearse 522 eco 595 and on the 1st a free February 1st eco the Oma proposed never basso. It takes effect on the 1st. Proposed because of the budget that was designed. Also, call Parliament no. Call back no. Now vote on account no money. The Parliament na kotrasiaye.
Parliament fu front that day.
There be Parliament that no. Fu front no to me ye. March and at force in the way beba. Enti the walls is here we know. The Parliament nyina that old ones na won o mko trase no. O mako ji atum say ye increase no. Enti first February no this government bet me aka say ye ntwen.
And obaka say ye ntwen so a o man on say enyema o mo de call last parliament no budget no fence taxes we nya na component I found in your mamma, Sikano, Muchato Hono, a choir, because the last parliament who is omitting I no money says Sikawi. And this obey through what they are, you also for another alternative budget now, Mujato Hono. You bet me this one.
So vote on account, no, ever end the match. It's a match now to forcing. Eddie Omanhene John Bahama, first budget, Ebeko. The Omodebo Mo Brano. And a woman say, Oma Peja, a toa.
They
say the president by February 1st, they should hold on to the increment. And also Yanyi. And I'm the budget ba. Yakoba Mene Boakye South MP Ebedi Hunkomo. Kingsley. David. Oh. Dr. Kingsley Ajimai.
Okay.
On a Boakye South. On a Kosi Yanai. Atachia. You need to be home come. Na Yabusano. Also,
the last parliament said no one come.
He's new.
And no one can that.
David. Tiabusano was him now. The Onosu Hunu. They see ano abeto janti Abia first. The reason why we putting this across and say propose and say on the first, Abia obeko is yatuma. Abia only Omanhene Yaw mama di kusi and he say oba dabi. A proposed budget daho. But the president can tell them to hold it or he can allow it to go. Pacho de make out say. Allow. Ricardo. Ravienko.
I'm proud of it. It's Sevilla and Basel and in Kiev and these kind of things. It's not bad to get to the final.
We were able to win this competition, really difficult competition. But at the end, we had the energy, the strength, the belief that we could win. We won. I have a fantastic squad, fantastic experienced players, fantastic young players. We have a good mixing.
By Neso Sanfamra Sompa 93.1 FM na fe Sompa TV. So mena so see kunya na de agodie mu nsama ya tire the tip of February ahwefo ene ye tiefo hye tena say ya na say ya fisem ene amana ne nsem ne yakabo mu a ye de bremo na mo nso matimi ehunu nyoma etoto to dwa Ghana ye football mama na ne nsem kakra no enso betimi atoja na Ghana Premier League second window no enso atimi a close into transfers aworo a etimi to dwa no ye behwe na yatima wurewura mu enso kakra e de ama players aworo a na omokoko ba bia omantimi anko players a omo enso enioma antimi anwi paya moment mankosi akan fama various club no ni nano yegusu a yebedi hu komo enso ewo dwumade wezi ntu ne yete ha ene yete na kosi se yedi agodie mu nsem ni na enso bebrɛw na wonso watimi hu de wi anoman enso wesi ko akuoko Benjamin Jemfini medin obitima from Ricardo Vras me dia fisem ne ba me wi amekɔ afeye Cinco de Mario aba na afa amana ne nsem ni nano ono enso atimi ede abrɛn ni nano enso atimi ati bi nura games ahoro timi ko so behind the scenes ahoro ni nano Cinco de Mario de beba na wonso watimi ahu sere doma no eno enso esi continentam so yenwuram na afei ensem a eto tja wa Ghanaian football nim no yemfa mamo na muntimi hu de we anoma na enso esi ko de a transfers ne beba na wonso watimi ahu players ahoro a omo enso atimi across capital omo a omo enso atimi atena ni nano ye de hosem e de bebro ne enso ewo dwumadi no so na ma starting fan free ye Referees Association Ghana omo chairman a je friend George Saija wono enso atimi adi nkomo na ne nkomo die we no enso won nkomo a odi e de afa the future of Ghana ye referees once Ghana no bibia no enso ye bibia ho na no ada na ehu se 22 referees enso atimi nyo mefifa baje no e na opani ne se Ghana ye referees no omo future no say any city
Your man omo eden ya say yen nyina we all part of the active referees. Yedia kodu FIFA for a number of years.